Hi, this is Andy. This little video will be about the ductwork that we're putting up here over at Shop Studios 940 Pitner. What you're seeing is a finished space done by Igor. Igor has been doing our ductwork for a gazillion years. Anyhow, he's going to be putting in this one piece now. We use Unistrut fastening system to secure the ductwork to the underside of the trusses. So Igor, why don't you go ahead and put this thing up when you're ready?
Yep.
One interesting thing we do, normally diffusers are used, and we fabricate these special little things that work, that visually look good with the rest of our architecture, using a elbow and a cut piece of 6-inch round ductwork. Igor's getting ready to pound what they call the drive cleat in, that links one piece of ductwork to the next. And he's also fitting the 3/8-inch threaded rod that supports the ductwork to the underside of the truss. Maybe I can get a picture here through the duct that you can see it a little bit better. This one doesn't quite fit. I'm going to have to do it, take it apart and re-drill the hole. Hole in the wrong spot, Igor?
Huh?
The hole in the wrong spot? Oh, you forgot to drill the hole. Okay. No big deal. Try it again. As you can see, the spaces are starting to take shape, and you can see the Unistrut once again with the rod in there. You can see where the hole's been drilled. Get a good look at this scoop we do. Go around the ladder. You can see where the rod is coming through. And that's it. Thank you.